Jason, the maintenance man here. Okay, we installed this new wall heater on the hallway here because the other one was all bent up. And it doesn't come, it comes with an end like this on this side, but you have to buy this thermostat separate. First time we bought the wrong one. This is a 2-pole. You need the 4-pole, one with 2 red wires, 2 black wires. This red is going to be hooked up, both reds, doesn't matter which one. One is the black wire out of the wall, and the other one is the white wire out of the wall. I'll explain all that. So what we'll do is one red wire out of the wall, always make sure the power is off. That's why I have this out. Then the black, go to the heater. It's one black one. There's the other black one. Came with one of these on it. I already cut that off. Cut only the black ones. Then you hook this up here. The other black, doesn't matter what side. Push these in safely. And there's the screw it came with. See that little hole down here? All right, now go fire it up. Let's see if it gets hot. Mounted it up there. See my screws. It's pretty solid. We had a REAC inspection and this was all bent up, so I helped them install this. Now, we didn't have the thermostat at the time. I didn't do recording how to do that, so it's just basically just mounted on the wall. Stick the wires through there. We just kept them off in the meantime. Now that we got the thermostat, that's the most important part. But it should be down there, turn it on, so I'm gonna turn it on here. See if it starts getting hot. Should be down there already. It's definitely getting hot, so it's working. Pretty simple for all you new guys out there. Thanks for watching.